Now let's understand process mapping. Process mapping is a detailed step-by-step visualization of a specific process. It focuses at a micro level, showing every activity, decision point, and possible rework within that process. This makes it very useful for understanding exactly how work is performed on the shop floor or within a function. In simple terms, process mapping helps teams analyze and improve individual processes in details. Now let's understand value stream mapping in comparison. Value stream mapping is a high level visualization of the entire flow of material and information from supplier to customer. It focuses at a macro level, looking beyond individual processes to understand how the entire system performs. BSM highlights not just the flow but also delays, inventory buildup, and inefficiencies across the value stream. In simple terms, it is used to improve overall system performance by identifying and eliminating waste across the end-to-end process. Here is a typical example of a process map. You can see that it contains multiple decision boxes, detailed step-by-step activities, and rework loops within the process. Each step is clearly defined, showing exactly how the work flows, where decisions are made, and where the process may go back for corrections or rework. This level of detail helps team understand the exact sequence of operations and identify inefficiencies within a specific process. Process maps are especially useful when you want to analyze, standardize, or improve a particular workflow in detail. Now let's walk through a typical sequence of value stream map. We start from the customer side where demand is defined. This tells us how much we need to produce and what frequency. From there, the information flows to production planning or control, which converts customer demand into schedules for the shop floor. Next, we move into the process steps, where each operation is represented along with key data such as cycle time, changeover time, uptime, and inventory levels between the process. Between these processes, you will notice inventory triangles and waiting points, which indicate where material is not flowing smoothly. Alongside the material flow, we also map the information flow, showing how orders, schedules, and signals move across the system. At the bottom of the map, we capture the timeline, which clearly shows the difference between value added time and total lead time. This complete visualization helps us understand where delays exist, where waste is present, and how the overall system is performing, enabling us to identify improvement opportunities effectively. Now let's clearly understand the core differences between process mapping and value stream mapping. First, in terms of focus, process mapping looks at individual process steps, while value stream mapping focuses on the overall flow of value across the system. At the level, process mapping is detailed and micro level, whereas VSM is end-to-end and macro level. The objective also differs. Process mapping helps us understand how a process works, while VSM aims to improve flow and eliminate waste across the entire value stream. Looking at the output, process mapping results in a flow chart, whereas VSM provides current state and future state maps. In terms of data, process mapping captures steps and decisions, while VSM includes key metrics like cycle time, lead time, inventory, and takt time. Finally, the usage. Process mapping is commonly used for SOP development and training, while value stream mapping is used for driving lean transformations across the organizations. Now let's understand when to use process mapping and when to use value stream mapping. You should use process mapping when you need a deep understanding of specific process. For example, during SOP creation, training new employees, or analyzing defects and rework within a single department. It is best suited when your focus is localized improvement such as optimizing a welding or assembly process. On the other hand, a value stream mapping is used when the problem is at a system level. If you are facing long lead times, high inventory, poor flow between departments, or delays from order to delivery, then VSM is the right tool. It helps you see the end-to-end inefficiencies across the entire value chain. A simple way to differentiate is that if the issue is within a single process, Use process mapping. If the issue spans multiple departments or the entire flow, use value stream mapping. For example, if rejection in printing is high, process mapping helps identify the exact value point. But if an order takes 20 days to deliver while actual work is only 2 hours, VSM will reveal where the remaining time is being wasted.